Okay, so this is a portable travel clothes dryer I got. At least that's what it was on the thing. But anyway, decontamination pen. Okay, that scared me at first. I'm like, what? But it's a stain remover pen, which is a nice little added bonus, actually. And here's the portable dryer's instructions. And that's how it's supposed to fold out. Here's that. But it also came with this. I'm not sure. What is this stuffed in here? So this is a wash to laundry bag. Oh, it's a laundry bag. Alright. And then it came with this hose attachment too that you can put on here. But I don't know, this thing opens and it dries like just small, there's the vent, small items. And okay, I see how this works. This goes on here. So this is to hang it with. It's interesting, and I'm definitely going to give it a shot next time I travel. And it also comes with this garment bag too. The box is a little banged up, but the parts and pieces all seem like they